afternoon. My name is Shraddha Satyam Ghote. I am coming from VICT College. I am currently studying in BMM from Vidyalankar School. So today we have a honorable chief guest, Mr. Avdesh Yadav sir. And he is a member of AACT organization. And he is the most senior faculty, teaching faculty in the Siddharth College and many visiting faculty in reputed college. And he is also running a YouTube channel. And he is known as the most guru of BMM. And he arranged many BMM events from Mumbai. According to you, what is the definition of literature?
First of all, thank you very much, Vidyalankar College, that you have invited me as a chief guest for this particular program, literature and idea of literature, so that everybody get to understand about what exactly and how society has to enhance themselves in a positive way. See, there are different definitions of the meaning related with the literature together. But according to me, literature is an idea, attribute, element, significance, and societal term that give exactness of any particular society in a prospective way that help overall society for progressive nature is called as literature.
So, how literature is a mirror of the society?
This is a quite good question. I personally believe. You know, if you ask any particular literature guy to be there, so. And if you go with any particular novel, any particular values related to the literature, so it is all about the concept and the ideas, how people utilize and learn from area. What are the ethics and morality they follow? What are the etiquettes of that particular society? What food habits that a particular person is having in that particular area? They are all ethnic ideas or the ideology of any particular society. Altogether, when you learn about the literature of any particular country or any particular society, we get to know the exact soul of that society. In that case, yes, it is a mirror, means literature is the mirror of the society in a very, very exact way. And we can learn from far also, wherever we are, that how people behave, what are the rituals to be there, what ideas that they are following with, and so many things.
So can I tell us why literature is necessary?
To be very specific, being as human being, it is very difficult to one particular person to visit all the places. And since we are not able to visit all the places, this is the literature that guides you exactness of different area by sitting and living in one area. So that is why literature is important. Either you are in developed country, underdeveloped country, or you say any particular area, any particular society. So by living over here or staying over here in Mumbai, I can learn the culture and ideas of Japanese. I can learn ideas and culture of USA people, Australians, Sri Lanka. And this is the fact. That is why literature is important in all that.
So my next question is contribution of literature to modern world. What?
This is quite tricky, but yes, it is important. See how whatever modernization we have to accept, and we are modern. We are in the 21st century. In spite of that, we play Garba.
Yeah.
You play Garba?
Yeah, I love
We all play Garba. This is the beauty of the literature. Okay? This is the beauty of the custom. We pray our Ganpati Bappa.
Yeah.
Okay? Whatever the dress code, there will be few changes to be there in the dress code and other thing. But we pray Ganpati. Okay? Especially in Maharashtra, people come. Like I am Vaishnav. Okay? I'm Professor Avdesh Yadav. I am Vaishnav. So we pray Lord Krishna. Okay? So through literature also we have learned those things. In my childhood, I remember when I was in my village. Okay? So in that particular village, what happened? We, like the kids, when there is any particular katha and all, you know, prayers to the God. So we sung Chaupai of Srimad Ramcharitmanas, like Hari Ananta Hari Katha Ananta Kahai Sunai Bahubidi Samsanta. Okay. So these things we have learned from childhood in a singing way. So in modern era, I feel it should be more utilized by the people. It should be more useful for the people. Like we know our culture, we know our ethnic way, how our people work, and what they have observed, and how they make things simple. And in present world, in so much of modernization, have you checked? There is more stress.
Yeah.
But earlier time, and you learn these things in literature, and because of this particular idea, the idea of presenting values in a systematic manner, people were not stressed. So that is why in modern era, literature is very, very, very essential according to me.
So you explained very nice actually. Thank you for giving me such a
My
beautiful.
pleasure, my pleasure.
So my next question is this: the role of gender for Indian values and ethics. What it is actually?
When I say that, like you asked about the role of gender, so I can pitch and give few examples on that basis. See, from earlier, like from as per the Sanatan Dharma from Satyuga, gender play very important. There was no inequality amongst the gender, male, female, etc. It is, I feel, because of the modernization nowadays, an inequality kind of or differences among gender it is to be there. Earlier time, what happened? We respect every gender, male respect female, female respect male. The same thing it is over here. ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि कोई respect नहीं कर रहा है. But now we are taking it very seriously, very, very seriously, because everybody is independent. Now take example, earlier time when the male was the working out for house, female was the main person who was the whole and soul for the house. And I am telling you, like for male and for the family, female was very, very important person of the house, because she is the overall in charge. But now, I don't know where and how we are decaying these things. But female, after education, they feel like they understand everything. Actually, they are good. I like feminism activity, but not that much that is shown in television. I have checked in the recent time in the particular case study I was teaching few mass media kids. In cities, divorce cases are more. Suppose tomorrow husband throw a particular slap to a female और बोले कोर्ट में मिलो, and समझो मैं घर पे पहुंचा हूँ, मैंने बोला मेरी वाइफ को यार चलो खाना बना दो, मुझको भूख लगी है और रोटी जली हुई है, तो मैं क्या बोलूँ? कोर्ट में मिलो, डाइवोर्स चाहिए. This is bad. This is a bad attitude. Family when people are
no understanding power.
So that understanding power, that is why I'm telling you, through literature we can learn, we can idealize how we have to understand each other, how we have to manage our kids. They should learn from parents, from especially the couple. They should be a good example, okay, for the society, and that is important. That is why gender-wise, I mean to say, male and female both is very important for making society progressive. Okay? We have to respect everyone, and when we respect, there will be no violence. And such cases, the bad cases that every day we see in newspaper and magazine and television, it is possible only because of we are not teaching the exactness how gender is important and how people have to respect other. Every person is important in this society, and that we have to learn.
Thank you for giving. Save our ancient heritage.
Actually, the ancient heritage is an important question, and I'm glad that young people like you are asking about how can we save our ancient culture. We can save our ancient culture when we know about the culture, first of all. So we know about the culture through literature. Literature is the base to provide all ethos, cultural values, subculture, and the anthropological stuff. So we have to first learn what exactly the culture, and then we spread the same kind of news, same type of ideas, same type of values to others, and especially the next generation. Otherwise, आज की generation सिर्फ PUBG खेलते रह जाएगी.
Yeah, right.
Have you heard that Warkari? That Warkari people, they go over there, Rukmai Vittal. We have experienced the best thing. Like I personally visited over there. I have experienced the soul satisfaction. So you have to visit over there if you want to be Like when you visit Mathura and all to see Lord Krishna, Radhe and all, so you will feel that particular utmost power. You visit to Mahakal Mandir Ujjain, you will find that strength amongst you. So these things we have to spread in our generation, the coming generation. Okay? When they know these things, they will follow. When they follow, they will find satisfaction, and that particular satisfaction will give salvation, and in near future they will idolize the same thing, and they will pass these things to their next generations. Through that way, yes, we can save our ancient heritage.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Thank you so much.